You hang up on me 3 fucking times.
Well, I only did it twice. My associate.
Who the fuck is this?
It's mailbox.
What kind of a fucking name is Mailbox?
That's actually kind of a funny story, you see.
Stop. I want to stay angry.
Yeah,
but you are too
okay,
worthless. You're too
I'll put
fucking
him on.
retarded.
He wants to talk to you.
What? Really?
This is O'Neill.
Who calls themselves O'Neill? I'm dealing with a... Never mind. Who's driving? You or Lunchbox?
Are you following us?
Listen closely. You have something that belongs to me. Something extremely important. And you are going to give it back.
Oh man,
Are you paying attention, dead guy?
yeah. Now I am. How do we return this thing to you?
I'm going to text you a location. You go there. You give my man what's mine. You won't say a word. You won't look him in the eye. You will just give him the shit and get out of there. I know where you live. Be smart. If you're smart, you'll be compensated for all of your trouble. Does that sound good to you, O'Neill? I said, does that fucking
Sounds great. Text me.